Hi y'all, welcome back, welcome to my channel. I woke up very randomly and was like, I should film what I eat today. So it's gonna be literally what I'm gonna eat today. I think the only thing that I have really planned out is my dinner because I want to meal prep for a couple of days. I bought some ingredients and I want to make something really specific because I've been craving it. But anyway, let's get into it. So that is breakfast. I'm gonna have it here at the island. I also ended up making 2 soft-boiled eggs just because I wanted some extra protein. As far as beverages, I don't really do a lot of beverages. I have my water, which is what I have all day long, and then I also have my little teapot. I drink tea with every single meal. I've actually been drinking bone broth as a side. I just like a warm beverage, but usually it's tea. So I have a kind of tea blend in here. It's my cute little teapot. I think this one has like ginger, mint, a couple other things, and then I'm gonna just sip on that while I have my oatmeal. So it's a little bit later in the afternoon. I am gonna have lunch soon, but I want to prep dinner first. And we are gonna have lamb shanks. Now I don't know why I've been craving lamb so much. I think it's partially because I've been having nothing but like chicken, chickpeas, fish, mostly chicken. I think I'm just tired of like poultry and I want something hearty, meaty. So I'm gonna roast this and like have it with some like quinoa and stuff later on for dinner, even though I don't like quinoa, but we're trying. I'm making an attempt to see if I can make quinoa in a way that I can enjoy it. I'm just gonna have this by itself. I'm not really feeling too hungry, and I think this is gonna be good. It was gonna be an actual sandwich, but I sliced my bread very thick, and so it's gonna be an open face sandwich. So this is our dinner bowl. It looks so good. I am so excited about this. First of all, I'm so happy about how the lamb turned out. A big kind of prep person. I like to have a couple proteins or something prepped in the fridge for a few days. So the lamb, yeah. Tenderness, flavor, absolutely, even though I need a little bit of salt. Deliciousness, yes sirski. I feel like this is my cutest bowl yet. It did take a little bit longer than I expected, so if you do this, I had about 3 pounds and it took 3.5 to 4 hours really to tenderize. Anyway, that is dinner and it is the last meal of the day. Let me get a fork so we can take our first bite together, but then I'm gonna go eat and settle down for the night. The couscous I'm really happy about. Kava who? Kava what? Kava who? This is delicious. So I wasn't gonna have dessert and I was also planning to gatekeep these cookies because they're just so delicious. This is them frozen. So these are the brown butter chocolate chip cookies from Whole Foods. They come in like a container and I freeze them for whenever the random times I crave something sweet. So this is gonna be our dessert tonight. I put them in the oven to like warm them up a little bit and like get them nice and gooey. It's so delicious. And so I'm gonna have half of a cookie for dessert and then that is gonna be it. But I hope you guys got some inspo. If you liked it, comment, like, let me know if you like any of these recipes. I really enjoyed showing you guys a very realistic view of foods that I actually do eat. So let me know if you guys want to see more recipe based videos or if you guys want to see more what I eat in a day videos. I'm looking at this cookie and this cookie is looking at me. We're looking at each other. I'm gonna go have this, relax, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.